Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Express. I would like coffee. I would like coffee. I would like to eat. I would like to eat. I would like to go home. I would like to go home. I would like to help you. I would like to help you. I would come tomorrow. I would come tomorrow. I would call you later. I would call you later. I would help if I could. I would help if I could. I would wait for you. I would wait for you. I would agree with you. I would agree with you. I would finish today. I would finish today. I would buy this shirt. I would buy this shirt. I would sell my phone. I would sell my phone. I would save money. I would save money. I would invest wisely. I would invest wisely. I would order food. I would order food. I would study daily. I would study daily. I would improve my skills. I would improve my skills. I would attend the meeting. I would attend the meeting. I would ask questions. I would ask questions. I would wake up early. I would wake up early. I would drink more water. I would drink more water. I would go for a walk. I would go for a walk. I would eat healthy food. I would eat healthy food. I would avoid junk food. I would avoid junk food. I would take a break. I would take a break. I would watch a movie. I would watch a movie. I would travel abroad. I would travel abroad. I would meet my friends. I would meet my friends. I would call my mother. I would call my mother. I would respect everyone. I would respect everyone. I would start again. I would start again. I would feel happy. I would feel happy. I would say thank you. I would say thank you. I would listen carefully. I would listen carefully. I would understand you. I would understand you. I would talk politely. I would talk politely. I would help the poor. I would help the poor. I would become successful. I would become successful. I would make my parents proud. I would make my parents proud. Thank you. Share this video and subscribe my channel.